Okay, are you ready?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, I'm going to count to 3 and then you can start. You ready?
Okay. Hi everyone, it's me, Teddy Daya, but you can call me Diana for short. Today, I am going to show you my country's address. If you close your eyes, all you can see is darkness. The dark is all around you. Go
And goes.
on forever. Slowly, from a point, you start moving forward, and then you see a light ahead, swirling and spiraling around you. As you get closer, you recognize that this train is a
Cluster.
cluster of many of stars. This is your galaxy, and it is called the Milky Way galaxy. Now open your eyes. If you look closely inside the Milky Way, you will see a
Very.
very special star.
That star.
That star is called the Sun. The Sun has planets
Traveling.
traveling around in its orbit. This is solar system. We live on one of these planets, and it is the
Very.
very special. This planet is not too hot and not too cold. It is just the
Right.
right
Distance.
for the sun. All planets, it's called planet, it's called Earth.
Earth. Where's your Earth?
Earth is only planet that has water, of
Air.
air, and land. As of land called countries. The continents. The continents that we live on is Europe.
Where's your Europe?
In Europe, there are many different countries, but there's a special country called the United Kingdom. United Kingdom. There are 4 countries that make up the United Kingdom. We live on one of them, and it is called England. In England, there are many countries.
Counties.
Counties are countries.
Our county.
Our county is an what is it?
Let's see. In England, there are many counties. A county is an area of
Land.
Good.
We live on a county called Berkshire. Berkshire. In Berkshire, there is a
beautiful,
full town that is
known
known for its
race course.
courts. We live on this town called Ascot. Ascot. This is Ascot. It's getting taller and taller.
Mm-hmm.
In Ascot, there is a beautiful home inside. The home is in Jedi. You are one of
Over
7 billion people who live on
planet. What planet do we live on?
Earth.
Mm-hmm.
You are one of a
Kind.
if this is inside of you
Yes.
there are
Atoms.
atoms. Atoms are the
Building blocks
building blocks of all this on your planet.
on all things on our planet
In
and in our universe. They
they
contain.
contain
What's that word?
energy.
Energy.
Like energy. That's my energy.
Ooh, that is so tall.
Yes, I can't even know how tall it is. When I just sit down, it says tall.
Yeah. All right. You want to finish your story? Is that it?
Yes.
Oh, okay. And Jedi,
Yes.
you are a part of the universe, and this is your cosmic.
Address.
Ooh, look at it.
It's bigger than me because I'm bigger. Thank you everyone for watching the video of my cosmic address. We hope you enjoy and we'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so I don't miss any of the videos. Bye!